Maybe you wouldn't believe me, but when I was 11, I had a dream. Group of people coming in front of me, and the first person is a man, and I cannot look into his eyes because it's shining that much. I cannot understand what's going on, but women are close heads, and they giving me the same clothes and asking me if I want to be the same with them. I immediately accepted. I felt like I want to be part of something that much beautiful. That time the man said the sentences and I should repeat. And when I study Shahada before I revert Islam, I remember that moment, and I remember I had a dream about my Shahada. How is that possible? It was one of the first signs, what I remember.